Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Bars Beats. We do some of the maddest reviews them round here. Round here. Now you want now? You see today in the program, we're going to decode a song right now by Vybz Kartel, King of the Dancehall. We are going to the archives because we know them and the catalogs and music. Huge. You want now? The song Color in This Life. And that me I go for. See, one of them bad songs there. When produced or when sing. Well, you up now. You see, since we had the color in this life, a color we are dealing with now. So me have to find something colorful. Yes. Now joke business, you know. Color in this life. Yeah. All right. Just remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you want the latest videos, them click the notification number there. It's not hard. It's not heavy. Just click. Share the video too. Do not keep it to yourselves. You see it? All right. Make we go into the song.
Hey girl, you that do look good the way you do it. Girl, want them ever unique. How them want do the same style like we. We call them falla fashion monkey.
Okay. As we start, we have to start it good. So I'm saying to these girls, where you see the girls them with the tattoo. So I'm saying, hey girl, your tattoo them ever look pretty. How you do it, right? The girls them always want to follow you. Follow them follow shop fashion monkey. Now follow fashion monkey is the term that we use in Jamaica when people love to follow. Some people say copycat. We say him say follow fashion monkey. So yeah, this is girl them cartel. Make we go still. Make we go. Work off it though. Yeah, them pretty still, you know.
Never unique. How them want do the same style like we. We call them falla fashion monkey. You have some beautiful tattoo, people like open up. Anyway, you walk your thing loud like a sign to a love.
Hold on, before you go into the chorus, I know. So I'm saying anywhere she walk, or anywhere them walk, the people eyes open up. And you think, well, hold on, sorry. Hold on, where go?
Anyway, you walk your thing loud.
Yes, and anywhere she walk, her thing loud. Like she stands, stone love. No, a decode be a decode, so I have to decode. No, when it says her thing loud, it's basically said that when she walk or anywhere she go, the term loud is just mean it brings a lot of attention. It's not just kept under the carpet or keep low. It's always highlighted. That's what the word. That's what I'm saying when it says that her thing loud. Then it goes further and says like what she signs Stone Love. Stone Love, it's a sound. It's a musical sound system in Jamaica. Like what you have like Bass Odyssey and so on. Stone Love was one of the biggest sound systems in Jamaica. We power on them and them. But anyway, we are the chord, so we could go further and go into the chorus because that my part. Whoa. I like that look there, you know. Yes, anyway, go on.
Beautiful tattoo, people like open up. Anyway, you walk your thing loud like a sign to a love. Coloring this life like it's all in crayons. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. Searching, coloring this life like it's all in crayons. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. My girl.
Well on, before you go no further, maybe give a little bit more history behind this thing, you know. This song was done while Vybz Kartel was incarcerated. And so that's why you don't see me showed up in it. Pure ladies. I mean, I tell you, so then go pick some nice ladies to highlight the song in the absence of Vybz Kartel. Good work. Very good work. And may I tell you, one of my favorite songs, this. I never like to listen it one time. No matter how much time I play it. Every time I play it, I have to play it over and over again. I don't know where I find them lyrics, I don't know where I find these melodies, but I tell you, anytime it play, it have to play more than once. So, make we go. Color in this life. Pretty.
Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. My girl, where you come from, must a magazine. Front page, Pangea 14. Looking at you, me feel pleased.
Hold on. Anything you call me, I go find out. Now, him say, front page and J14. Now, J14 is actually a magazine based in America that highlights mostly like the preteens and so on. So he must say, that's where he must say, she look like her she come from. Not a day over 16, eh? Or 18.
Hey girl, where you come from? Must a magazine. Front page pan J14. Looking at you, me feel please. Just tweet like dancehall queen. I know just like a nigga, ya go use. Your skin too rough. Anyway you walk your thing loud like a sign to love. Coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. Searching, coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons.
Okay, so the song I gonna repeat itself still. So far me I tell you say I one of my best songs this. Trust me. It don't have a lot of lyrics in it, but me I tell you, it's easy to catch. And when you start singing it, you don't have to wonder when did it say afterwards. It is very, very simple and easy. So, crème de la crème.
Coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. Searching, coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. Coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. Searching, coloring this life like it's all in crayon. Searching, now we found love in all these crayons. Searching, searching in all these crayons. Searching, searching in all these crayons. Searching.
All right. So song done. And let me tell you, this song look like it was shot in Miami. No question, look like it was shot in Miami. Beautiful songs. I hear the ironic thing about it now. Vybz Kartel is a man with very lyrical. He's one of Jamaica's best lyricists, right? And the interesting thing about his catalog of songs is that the songs them that make him make the most money is the songs that are not lyrical, that are not filled with lyrics. Fever is one, this is another one. So that is just the ironic thing about it. So this one is very, very simple to listen. And it is one of the most classical of them. Yeah, man. Real talk. So here are the people. Let me know what you think, Let me know how I go on. And let me know what you want me to review. Because you know, some of them are decoding fiasco. Yes, but I'm joking, I saw them forward, I saw me decode. So, as usual, people, big up on yourselves and let me know what I go on. So this is Too Quick once more from Bars Beats. I mean, I say what? Have that.